Attention, all aspiring and practicing facility managers. Ready to supercharge your careers? Join the Facility Management Mastercraft Diploma Program and become a certified expert in just a few months. In facility management, there is a huge gap between those who know and those who don't. This is where Max-Migold comes in. Now, here is why you should become a trained, qualified, and certified facilities manager. Contrary to belief that facilities management is bolts and nuts, FM goes beyond fixing, repairing, and cleaning of spaces. It is the backbone of any successful organization, encompassing management of critical assets, resources, and people for effectiveness and strategic positioning. Are you an architect, engineer, builder, or planner, or are you into property, estate, project administration, or construction management, looking to expand your skills and grow your career in the built environment? The Max-Migold Facility Management Mastercraft Diploma Program is sure to equip all intending and practicing management professionals with up-to-date industry knowledge, technical skills, tools, and templates to guarantee job placements, promotions, and service contracts in the fast-growing facility management sector. So what are you waiting for? Join us for the next batch by registering at www.promo.facilitymanagementcourses.com or WhatsApp chat Paul on 0802 202 0122.